My high school's Eco Garden and Pond were established in 2003 to cultivate native flora, raise awareness regarding Singapore's natural heritage, and promote the integration of environmental studies in school-wide curricula. Following maintenance suspensions, the pond was exposed to animal feces, detergent, and intense light. The absence of functioning aeration or filtration systems further accelerated ecosystem degradation. In its murky green and eutrophic condition, the pond was seldom utilized by the life science faculty at my school. Cultural eutrophication is an anthropogenic phenomenon which describes the accelerated contamination of freshwater reserves due to rapid urbanization and the runoff of synthetic fertilizers, industrial pollutants, and livestock effluent. This level of pollutant buildup encourages the growth of photosynthetic green algae and nitrogen-fixing cyanobacteria. With their death, decay, and decomposition, they can simplify food webs and choke valuable reserves. After investigating a few options, I eventually settled on using two species of aquatic plants, namely water hyacinth and water lettuce, to curb algal growth. These plants have roots which absorb limiting nutrients such as phosphate and nitrate, which are the main ingredients in cleaning solutions. Using probes and test kits that were available at my school, I collected data at the beginning of the school year for 6 weeks to derive a water quality index score. I weighed each of the plant species at the beginning and end of the study period, and I also sought mentorship from a biological sciences professor at the National University of Singapore, who let me use the lab equipment to measure concentration of algae, as well as classifying them to measure any changes in species composition. My results indicate that the plants effectively improved water quality as measured by the change in plant biomass, the increase in species biodiversity, and decrease in algal concentrations. My remediation guide will hopefully inspire future generations of conservationists and biologists at my school to use fieldwork to preserve our experiential education resource. I have established connections with middle school environmental clubs to catapult interest in the pond's recovery. My senior research project is testament to the impact of self-guided learning, an educational model we should be encouraging students to pursue from a younger age.